अगर एक एथलीट के मतलब एक इंटरनेशनल एथलीट के साथ ये चीज़ें अभी भी हो रही है इंडिया में, तो आगे मैं क्या ही बोलूँ।
और हमारे यहाँ मतलब जो यहाँ के इंचार्ज जो सीनियर टीसी इंचार्ज है आर के वर्मा सर, और उनको सीनियर टीसीएम का ऑर्डर था कि ये लोग को 4 से 5 घंटे बैठा के रखो। और ये
Welcome to Ref Sports. This is Mohar Chaudhary, and today I've come here to talk about something which is very, very important and deserves to be heard, demands immediate attention. And that is regarding the safety and the future of the pole vaulters in our country. These are athletes that are representing our nation on the biggest stage, but when we look back at the situation in our own country, we will realize that there's still a lack of awareness, there's still a lack of proper respect, and there's still a lack of proper policy which will safeguard their interests. Now, back in the day when people didn't really know what javelin was as a sport, the javelin equipments were looked at with a lot of suspicion, a lot of confusion, and a lot of fear when these athletes used to carry these equipments from one place to another, especially via public transportation like a train or a flight. They also had to go through a lot of harassment, a lot of questions, doubts, but then Neeraj Chopra happened. Neeraj Chopra rose to prominence with his Olympic gold, and all of a sudden he became a household name, and that's when people started realizing that, okay, these javelin athletes do require these, equipments with them at all times, and they need to be able to carry these with them from one place to another. And the issue got done and dusted there. But pole vaulters don't have a Neeraj Chopra among them yet, but that shouldn't be the reason that they have to face constant harassment and, problems while traveling from one place to another with their poles. These athletes at times have to face a number of harassments, they have to face fines, they have to face even deboarding the trains because their poles are looked at with suspicion, and sometimes they are not allowed to carry those from one place to another. And that shouldn't be the case. These poles are as much a part of the athlete's body as everything else. These are invaluable, these are expensive for sure. Each pole can range from rupees 1 lakh to rupees 15 lakh, but also these are invaluable items. And the fact that they can't even put those in the luggage compartment because one, any damage to those is a huge damage because obviously it's expensive given the price range. But apart from that, any damage, even a slight crack to those poles can be very, very fatal for the athlete. It can lead to severe and serious injuries, which is why they have to keep these poles in front of their eyes at all times, and which is why they also travel via the general compartment so that they are able to carry it. But it has happened like n number of times. It's not just a stray incident that has happened once or twice, but it has been happening for a lot of years now. They have had to face harassment, they have had to face deboarding just because they are carrying this equipment from one place to another, these poles from one place to another. And this stems from a lack of awareness, this stems from a lack of general knowledge, this stems from a lack of respect, this stems from a lack of knowing the fact that, okay, these are the things that need to be carried. It happened in 2017 as well when some very prominent athletes were traveling from Delhi to Kochi after a championship, and they had to, a very, very prominent airline deplaned them from the flight because of the equipment that they were carrying. It has happened in 2022, it has happened in 2024, even to, prominent names like Kuldeep Yadav, who's someone who's rising to prominence as far as this sport is concerned. Even he has had to face harassment of missing his train, deboarding and all of that. And very recently, a very sad incident took place in this month itself, in the month of May in 2026, when 5 Tamil Nadu athletes were traveling after their championship, and basically they were carrying poles worth 15 lakh rupees. So it's a lot, it's a huge sum of money. And there was a lot of heavy rush, a lot of heavy crowd inside the train, which is why they had to sort of tie these poles. They tied these poles next to their window. But when the train reached Andhra Pradesh, railway personnel started giving them trouble. They started questioning, and so much so that they literally cut the ropes with which, the poles were tied. They cut the ropes, which led to these poles, obviously dropping onto the tracks, which ultimately resulted in 3 of these athletes. They literally had to jump to the tracks from a moving train in order to save these poles. And the other one among them, another person had to, sort of pull the chain to make everyone aware that, there's an emergency situation that has that has come up, and then they were detained for investigation as well. So imagine the scenario. These are the athletes that are representing your country on the global stage. These are the athletes that will bring you respect. And I mean, pole vaulting is a sport that is slowly and steadily rising to prominence. It is gaining a lot of prominence. It is on the rise. So these incidents that keep happening every once in a while, it shouldn't even happen in the first place. There should be proper awareness, there should be proper knowledge, there should be proper policies that need to come up to safeguard the interests of these athletes. And ironically, this comes at a time when India dreams of hosting the Olympics. And still there's a lack of awareness, there's still a lack of policy when it comes to carrying these equipments from one place to another. Safe travel is a must for any athlete. And policies need to come up. It's the need of the hour at this point to safeguard the interests of these athletes and make sure that they are able to travel safely with their equipments from one place to another. Otherwise, it's a very, very sad state of affairs. Doesn't Neeraj Chopra need to come up for people to finally notice these pole vaulters, these athletes, and realize that, okay, yes, now you can carry your equipments? That shouldn't be the case. It's a sport which is on the rise, and if given proper backing, given proper, of course, support, and definitely with all their skills, they will make it happen on the global stage. But at a time when India dreams of hosting the Olympics and becoming sort of a global powerhouse, these incidents shouldn't happen in the first place. Well, as of now, I'll take your leave. This was a very important topic that we had to bring up. Do share your comments down below. Do share your views in the comment section below. Do keep watching all our videos, all our live shows for all updates regarding different kinds of sports. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and do keep your eyes on Rev Sports for more such updates. Thank you so much.
मेरा नाम देव मीना है। मैं इंडिया का नेशनल रिकॉर्ड होल्डर प्लेयर हूँ और हाल ही में मैंने अभी नया नेशनल रिकॉर्ड बनाया है। ये मेरे साथ में कुलदीप है, इसने भी अभी हम यूनिवर्सिटी खेलने आए हैं और अभी हम महाराष्ट्र में के पनवेल रेलवे स्टेशन पे। यहाँ पे हमारा मतलब यहाँ पे हमको जो टीटी है, सीनियर टीटी, उन्होंने मतलब हमारे पोल देख लिया और यहाँ पे हमको मना कर दिया कि आप लोग नहीं जा सकते हो। मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान किए यहाँ पे, और हमारी एक ट्रेन छूट चुकी है ऑलरेडी। हमने मतलब हमको 4 से 5 घंटा यहाँ पे बिठा के रखा, पूरे बहुत परेशान हो चुके हैं। यहाँ पे मतलब हर एक एथलीट, अगर हमारे साथ ये चीज़ हो रही है तो मतलब मैं अपने जूनियरों से क्या एक्सपेक्ट करूँ कि मतलब उनके साथ क्या होता होगा। अगर एक एथलीट के मतलब एक इंटरनेशनल एथलीट के साथ ये चीज़ें अभी भी हो रही है इंडिया में, तो आगे मैं क्या ही बोलूँ।
और हमारे यहाँ मतलब जो यहाँ के इंचार्ज, जो सीनियर टीसी इंचार्ज है आर.के. वर्मा सर, और उनको सीनियर टीसीएम का ऑर्डर था कि ये लोग को 4 से 5 घंटे बैठा के रखो और ये जब तक फाइन नहीं भरते हैं तब तक इनको जाने नहीं दिया जाए। और यहाँ हम लोग 4-5 घंटे वेट करके अभी हम लोग अपना पोल उसी ट्रेन में लाते, हम लोग फाइन भर दिए। अभी 5 घंटे बाद उन्होंने बोला कि बिना फाइन के इनको मत छोड़ो, कुछ भी हो जाए इनको बैठा के रखो। और हम लोग इंडिया के खिलाफ दोनों पोल वॉल्टर रहे, तो पोल वॉल्ट इवेंट लिया तो इंडियन रेलवे कुछ ऐसा मतलब व्यवस्था चालू करे जिससे हमारा।
और ये कोई नई बात नहीं है, ये तो हमेशा से ऐसे ही होता आ रहा है। मतलब ये कोई नई चीज़ नहीं है। मैं चाहता हूँ कुछ कोई तो कुछ करो इस चीज़ के लिए। मतलब